What is up, guys? I got a package in the mail today. Another part for the Civic Type R. That box sitting on the ground right there. Hope that when I open it, it's gonna be as good as I think it was. Judging from the pictures I saw online, it was fairly cheap in my opinion compared to other ones like it that I saw. Big box. What also was really weird is, so in my building, we have a little mail room where all packages are dropped off and mail is dropped off there. I saw that this was delivered, so I went to the mail room because I was out for the morning and it wasn't there. So I was like, huh, did someone steal my package? But when I got up, I actually saw the package was sitting outside the door. So delivery came up the elevator into my floor and dropped it at the door. Alright, it's covered in bubble wrap, so I'm gonna put the box down and pick it up. Okay. Okay. Sheesh. Alright, I'm liking it so far. Rubber little things here, kind of like pool noodles. Yo, this is fire. It looks good. I thought by ordering this, because the price was so low, that it would be like either fake or not good quality, but this is pretty good. Are you ready? This is fire. Oh man. That is nice. With the flat bottom. I got this steering wheel, carbon fiber, real carbon fiber. It's hard looking online like nowadays because it'll say like carbon fiber, but if you look at the pictures, it's like carbon hydro dip. And it has the cutouts for your thumb right here. And it's thicker than stock. It feels real good. I'm excited. What's up? We out here. We disconnected the battery and we're going to attempt to change the steering wheel. I think I've had this steering wheel for like 3 weeks now. So disconnect the battery. Honda says I think 15 minutes to fully drain. We'll wait for like 20-25 minutes. Well, this just happened. Turn the steering wheel. Now it's locked. Maybe I just leave it this way and just make sure to put the steering wheel in crooked. I don't know. We'll see. JC had a good idea. We're gonna use tape. Just line it up after we switch the steering wheel. All right, JC. Good idea. These two were a pain in the ass to get off. That was also a pain in the ass to get off. So this is the ground. And the ground actually has this tab here. You have to actually push it down and pull out just like any other plastic clip you see in the car. That little piece. Push down, pull out. These guys make my finger hurt. You have to lift up these white two tabs and try to pull out and try not to break them. That's some airbag shit. That piece, 10 millimeter. All right, so turns out that he had a 1/2 inch impact and I didn't have a 1/2 inch 10 millimeter socket. It was 3/8, so we had to run Home Depot, get an adapter and try again. So that bad boy there, it didn't want to work. Shit's on. So I wanted to get like a pry bar. Adjustable. Pry bar. Is it pry bar? That's not what it's called. What's the
breaker
word?
Bar.
Breaker bar.
Breaker bar. Breaker bar.
Want to get a breaker bar, so I was getting like a tube. This guy over here, he takes a freaking regular wrench, bro, and just loosens this shit up by hand, and then the rest with the impact gun, bro. He took out the bolt. It's done.
Stupidity strength.
Yo, I don't think I would have gotten this out, but the steering wheel's loose. I don't know if the steering wheel's straight though. Woo.
It's off.
Steering wheel's off.
And the airbag is right here. And the new one is in here.
4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Removes the back piece. This piece right here. It's held on by 2 clips. Right there and right there. Your controls are held on this blue side and this white side. The clip releases in the inside, so you'd have to reach in the inside, unclip it and pull it out. This should just pop off. These should pop off. And put these on that thing. Steering wheel's back in. Putting in these torque screws is a pain in the butt because I kept missing the freaking hole in the inside. Kept going straight back instead of that way. Had to remove this like 3 times, but should be good now. The airbag didn't blow in my face. Let me close the door so this beeping stops. Hey, the horn works. Turn the car on. All right, okay. There we have it. Carbon fiber steering wheel installed. It looks really good. I'm excited. It looks amazing. Oh yeah, it really looks like it should have came like this. I was a little worried about the carbon fiber accents on the steering wheel that I put on, but it doesn't look that bad. I thought it would be too much carbon fiber, but now everything matches real nice. Big ups to JC for loaning tools.
Yes, sir.
Hey, I seriously would not have been able to do this without it, or his freaking straight brute force, bro, to just take out that that bolt. Fire. I don't think I would have gave up and not have done it, but yeah, steering wheel's on, and I think that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Peace out.